In this video, I would like to introduce you to one of our inverted biological microscope. This microscope can be used as standalone or also can be put inside a hood or incubator. And this is why we call this IncuScope. And this model is called IS250. Let's begin. With this microscope, you can collect images in bright field, epi-fluorescence, phase contrast, and dark field modes. This microscope comes with a trinocular viewing head. You can attach a camera using a CMOS adapter. From this port, you can rotate the viewing head at 360 degrees. You can remove the eyepieces and the eye point if you need so. The images is split between the camera and eyepieces using this lever, and when it is in out position, it sends 100% of the signals to our camera. You can also attach the camera and CMOS adapter directly to the main body of the microscope. With this microscope, basically we offer different models of cameras which are supported by software, and you will see that in a few minutes. Basically, depending on the application, you can choose different speeds. It can be from few frames per second up to 500 frames per second. It can be from 1 megapixel up to 20 megapixel, and also in terms of the sensor size, it can be from 1/3 inch up to 1 inch, and based on the sensor size, we offer a different CMOS adapters, and you can select more than one if you need so. Normally we offer 0.4x, 0.5x, 0.65x, and also 1x. All of the cameras we offer with this microscope are USB 3 CMOS color cameras. This microscope uses LED as light source for illumination. For bright field or phase contrast imaging, we use this lamp house at the top. For fluorescence imaging, we use another LED from the bottom. All of the LEDs are controlled using this manual. You can control the light intensity and also select the channel. All of these can be controlled from the software at the same time. This microscope comes with a quadruple nose piece. It has 4 spots. By default, it includes 10x, 25x, and 40x objective lenses. These lenses can be bright field only, bright field fluorescence, bright field, and phase contrast. Or you can add dark field as well. As an optional, there are several other objective lenses can be added to this microscope. At low end, you can choose 2x, 4x, 5x, and also depending on the application, you may choose different working distance or numerical aperture of lenses such as 10, 20, 25, 40, 50, 60, 80, 100, and even 150x. Starting from 40x, you can select dry, oil immersion, or water immersion lenses. The phase contrast in this microscope is super easy to use. It is mounted on this L-shape or C-shape module, which is detachable from the microscope. The illumination is designed based on the coupler. You have a field diaphragm at top, iris diaphragm at the center. You can adjust the location of LED in X, Y, or Z directions. Move up or down the condenser, and also select different phase annulus. The condenser working distance can be selected from 30 mm to 70 mm. The microscope comes with a mechanical X-ray stage, and you can put your samples on top of the deck. The samples can be a glass slide, a petri dishes such as 35, 50, or 70 mm, and you can also put a tea flask such as T25, T75, or larger tea flasks and well plates.